this is Darby from RejoiceCreate.com. Well, I have an adorable project for you today for Easter. I was waiting for my daughter to have her hair done, and I happened to be wandering up and down the strip mall, which the salon was in, and I saw in the Target cafe that sells Starbucks products these adorable gift cards shaped like a bunny, and they have a few different patterns on them which make them so fun. So I grabbed one of those, and I grabbed one of the sleeves too. And don't grab the sleeves if you're not purchasing a product. You want to be ethical about this, but I grabbed a sleeve, I grabbed my bunny, and off I was, and I created this. And I think this is just adorable. Now, you could put other gift cards in there if you didn't want to get the Starbucks coffee sleeve. There are other coffee sleeves out there available that you can get or buy. And you certainly can create an adorable gift card holder, or it will hold some of the flat candies too, tea bags, Ghirardellis. I'm sure you can find some things to put in there. So let me show you how I made these, and these are so simple. Okay, so what you need for this project is this adorable bunny gift card. One coffee sleeve. To cover the front and the back, I used some pattern paper. The minimum you need is 5 inches by 2.5, but what I did is I just cut a 6 by 6 in half, so I have two that are 3 by 6. And for the handle, I used a 3/4 inch cardstock strip that coordinated, scored in half. And what I did is I actually put the 11-inch cardstock up there, and I actually scored it at 3/8 inch, then moved it over and cut it at 3/4 inch, because sometimes I have trouble scoring a long skinny strip. But if you're fine with that, all you have to do is cut a 3/4 inch by 11 and score it right down the middle at 3/8 inch. And then what I did, just to make the handle assembly easier, is I scored each end at 1 inch and 1.5 inches. Okay, so let's get going. Let's make the handle first. What I did for the handle is go ahead and put some tape just from the inside score line, so that from that 1.5 inch to 1.5 inch, we want to glue or tape. And press it down really well. Okay, and then that last score line you can kind of fold back and forth, and then open it flat on that last one, and that kind of pinch it like this, and it gives you the bottom of your basket handle. Same with the other one. Kind of move this one back and forth, and then pinch this one open so it's flat. Okay, so our handle is ready. Now let's go ahead and prepare the basket part of it. All right, so what I did is I just put this on here and I traced it. And you can trace it with a pencil. I'm going to trace it with my scoring stylus, just right around. You're going to be cutting inside anyway. Okay, now I don't know if you can see that, but what I'm going to do is I wanted to have a bit of a mat, about a 1/8 or so on the top and the bottom, but I wanted my sides to go all the way to the sides of the basket. So what I did was I cut the sides just inside my score line, and then I cut the top and the bottom 1/8 inch inside that score line. And I did that for 2 of them. Okay, so now you don't have to do this step, but if you could just go ahead and mat this on the front and on the back and cover up that design so that all the print was covered up, if that's the way you wanted to do it. But I like the way the corrugation looks, so I actually turned this inside out. So just go ahead and carefully unstick that seam like this. Turn it inside out, and we're going to re-glue it like this. Actually, I'm going to put the other side first, like this, because I like that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put a piece of tape right across the bottom, and I just put it straight right across here. I didn't worry about curving it because the gift card was going to sit on it anyway. And then I just put a couple pieces right here on this tab. And you can use liquid glue as well. You just have to wait till it dries before you try to put your gift card in. All right, so let's take the backing off of these and close up our little basket. All right, so close this side up first and close this side second. And we'll press that down. Okay, so we have this cute little basket. Now, I used liquid glue to put my mat on because the corrugations are up and down, and what I did is I put glue on so it would stick in the places where the corrugations were up. Okay, so I turn that over and press it down and go ahead and do the back. Now all I'm going to do is glue the handle in, and I'm going to use some wet glue, and I'm putting it just on the front of these tabs because the gift card holder is, if I put it on the front and the back, it would actually glue the gift thing a little bit tighter than the gift card would fit in. And actually for this one I had to trim a little bit off because I actually did that first. So go ahead and just slide these right to the side, right up to that one score line, and press that down. Okay, and then I go ahead and pinch that this way. So our handle sticks up like that. Isn't that so sweet? Okay, make sure these glue. I went ahead and created a sentiment already, so you didn't have to wait for me. And this Easter Blessings is from the stamp set by Tailored Expressions, He is Risen. Now just let me tuck in this adorable little bunny, and I'm going to tilt him a little bit so his head is up. Oop, let me take off that load of $10. And if you wanted to, you could put a blank label on the back for a to and from, where you can write your recipient's name on there. And I have a little ribbon here. I'm just going to tie a bow on the top. I don't think guys mind to have a little bow on the top either, so I'm going to do it that way. And now I'm just going to put a few little faceted embellishments on there just for a little extra decoration. And isn't that adorable? And I think that makes an adorable little gift card holder for a very special bunny gift card from Starbucks. But you could create it with any coffee sleeve for any gift card as well. Well, I hope you like this project and give it a try. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to be notified of new videos as I upload them. For more information on this project and others, please visit rejoiceandcreate.com. And as always, until we meet again, may all your days be blessed. Bye!